Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So Jamaica was awarded the Global Destination of the Year award. Now this shouldn't come as much of a surprise because Jamaica has been excelling when it comes on to tourism. What's going on in Jamaica, you can't find it anywhere else in the Caribbean. So congratulations to the Ministry of Tourism and especially the Minister of Tourism because they are doing an exceptional job. I think everybody in Jamaica can agree that the Minister of Tourism is doing an excellent job. Now, everywhere you look on the North Coast, another hotel is being built. The hotels are getting bigger, the investments in Jamaica are getting bigger. Right now in Jamaica, there's over 10 billion US being invested in hotels between Negril and Ocho Rios. Jamaica is leading the Caribbean when it comes on to hotel rooms under construction. And this award that Jamaica recently won, it's one of many awards. Jamaica is we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the award, but everybody wants to build a hotel in Jamaica now. Jamaica is, as we said, leading the Caribbean in when it comes on to tourism. Now we don't get the most visitors per year. That title belongs to the Dominican Republic. But Jamaica is on track or on pace to get more visitors than the Dominican Republic in a couple of years. So as long as Jamaica stays on the path it's on, with the building of the hotels and the building of the infrastructure, we will get there one day. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the award Jamaica won. So Jamaica Awarded Global Destination of the Year. Jamaica has been named Global Destination of the Year at the renowned travel show ITB in Berlin. The island is recognized for honeymoons and romantic getaways. The award was presented by the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association. The PATWA is a non-profit international media organization of travel writers founded in 1999, and the awards seek to recognize organizations, destinations, brands, and individuals achieving the highest standards in their field. In accepting the award on behalf of the destination, Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett said, "Jamaica is known for its food, music, and indeed love, so we are humbled to be recognized for these exceptional offerings to our visitors that provide meaningful memories." The PATWA award takes place during ITB and is one of the most coveted recognitions where nominees are evaluated on various standards with an extensive internal evaluation for each category. The Minister of Tourism, in participating in the 2024 staging of ITB Berlin, the world's largest travel trade show. With over 20,000 participants expected for this year, ITB Berlin is viewed as a critical platform for the international tourism industry, fostering networking and facilitating knowledge exchange. PATWA remains one of the highest honors you can receive in tourism and travel, and Jamaica continues to punch above its weight to excel in its products and services. It is truly the perfect backdrop for all things romance, engagements, wedding, honeymoons. You name it, added Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. Jamaica has received several awards based on its authentic and unique tourism offerings. Last year, the island was named Caribbean's best culinary destination at the World Culinary Awards. In the same year, Jamaica won 33 World Travel Awards, chief among them being named the Caribbean's leading destination. This award also comes on the heels of phenomenal arrivals and earnings for the island last year. The destination welcomed over 4 million international visitors and earned US $4.2 billion. So that is the end of the update article. I just want to read another part again. Last year, Jamaica was named Caribbean's best culinary destination at the World Culinary Awards. In the same year, Jamaica won 33 World Travel Awards. 33 World Travel Awards, chief among them being named the Caribbean's leading destination. Alright, so we have to say job well done to the Ministry of Tourism and a special thank you to the Minister of Tourism. Guys, drive anywhere on the North Coast and look around and see if you don't see a hotel being built. See if you don't see some sort of development. Miami Bay fully booked out. The last piece of land that's there, China Harbour Engineering Company has started construction on. Draxall, fully booked out. If you see an empty piece of land in Draxall, it is sold and waiting on a development. There is no more land to be bought in Draxall. And we're talking about right off the main road, between the main road and the beach. From Miami Bay, Draxall. Runaway Bay, mega developments going up there. Hotels. Richmond, being developed. The amount of developments going on there, it's going to become like Draxall soon. Discovery Bay, developments. Trelawney, an area of Trelawney, fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. Falmouth has the number one cruise ship pier in the Caribbean and one of the best in the world. Harmony Cove, spending billions. And the list goes on. Alright guys, let us know what you think about Jamaica winning this award and the job that the Minister of Tourism is doing. Alright guys, have a good day.